How to make one word Facebook name. So at first you have to download one VPN that connects to Indonesian server. So I've just downloaded one and now I have to connect it to the VPN. Okay, let's just connect it. Okay, we're done here. Now you have to go to Facebook and just clear the storage from here. Okay, go to storage and just press on clear data. Clear all data. Okay, so now you have to log into your Facebook. Okay, after getting inside Facebook app, then go to the menu bar. Now scroll down and select settings and privacy, then click on settings, then go to Meta Account Center, and then you have profiles here. Just click on it, then again click on it. Now you have name here, just click on it. Okay, so here you have first name and then middle name and then short name. Just cut the short name and you can see we can change the name here, so give a space on here. Okay, done. Then click on review change. They're just previewing your name. What will it seem on your profile after you change it? So just click on save changes and you're done. Let's see if we've just made it or not. Here you can see cold lungs. Now press on it. Okay, you're seeing that we have just made our profile in one word. So this is how you can make one word Facebook name. Thanks for watching.